I got you something. Want some suet? Some suet? You put it in your mouth? You ready to boogie? You ready to boogie? Nope, don't want no food, huh? What do you think? Let's see a boogie. You can do it. I know you can do it. Yeah. I know you can do it. What do you think? Now you got some food now, huh? Well, there's a fox. Hey, Foxy. See? Wild Kingdom. What do you think, huh? Eat this. What are you doing? Come on, eat the suet. You gonna eat it? What are you doing? Come on. You're getting it now. There you go. There you go. We're gonna go put you in a tree. I got the perfect tree for you. You can hang out in here. Let's put you up. There you go. You knew exactly what to do. That's awesome. Nice job, bud. You're gonna be good. Yeah, you got it. I think you're back in business. Just gotta shake it off. No more flying into glass windows. There you go. All right, I'll catch you later. I think you know what you're doing. Glad to help.